Hello, I'm Andrea, a doctor of physical therapy. Today, I'm here to guide you on using the PELEGON toilet safety rail effectively and safely. Before we proceed, please confirm with your healthcare provider that this product is suitable for your specific needs. Remember, the following guidelines are not a substitute for professional medical advice. The PELEGON toilet safety rail is designed to enhance safety and independence for individuals who require extra assistance in the restroom. It's an effective tool to prevent falls when standing up or sitting down from the toilet. If you need help with assembling or adjusting the toilet safety rail, I encourage you to watch our clear and easy-to-follow assembly video available at pelegon.com. When using the toilet with the safety rail, start by backing up to the toilet with your assistive device until the backs of your legs touch the toilet. This position ensures that you're in a safe spot to sit down. Next, place your assistive device within easy reach, but out of your way. As you sit down, use the handrails for support, allowing you to lower yourself safely onto the toilet. To stand up, place your hands firmly on the handles of the safety rail and use them to assist you in slowly pushing up to a standing position. Ensure you're stable and upright before reaching for your assistive device. It's crucial to use the PELEGON toilet safety rail as intended to maximize safety and benefit from its design. I hope you find this information helpful for your needs. Stay safe and thank you for your time.